Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best texture spray is probably one of the most versatile and impactful tools you can add to your home improvement arsenal, offering a quick and easy way to add depth, character, and a professional finish to any wall surface, transforming bland spaces into visually stunning environments with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Home Wall Repair Paste. Introducing a revolutionary solution for your home's wall imperfections. This product offers a quick and easy way to fix any damage. Tired of waiting for repairs? This paste dries rapidly, allowing you to complete your wall fixes in no time. Experience superior performance with its strong adhesion. It bonds securely to various surfaces, ensuring a lasting repair. Don't worry about moisture. This repair solution is waterproof, making it ideal for any area, even damp surfaces. Application is a breeze thanks to the included tools. Get professional results with minimal effort. From holes and dents to scratches on walls or wood, this versatile agent handles it all. It's the perfect multi-purpose fix. What we like? This product offers a quick and durable fix for wall imperfections. Its strong adhesion and waterproof nature make it ideal for various repairs. If you need to patch up small holes, dents, or scratches quickly and effectively, this is the solution for you. What people say. This spray paint is great for creating a textured look on walls. It covers imperfections well and gives a professional finish. Easy to use and dries quickly, making it a convenient option for DIY projects. Number 4. InoKraft TexCraft Drywall Texture Spray Gun. Create flawless popcorn or orange peel textures with ease. This tool comes with multiple nozzle sizes to suit any project, ensuring professional results every time. The generous hopper capacity means you can work longer without constant refills. Its stable sealing ensures a secure connection, preventing leaks and maintaining a consistent spray. Designed for comfort, it features an easy grip handle and a self-locking trigger. An included elbow hose adapter makes spraying ceilings a breeze. Cleaning up after your project is simple. This sprayer disassembles easily, and the included brushes help you remove every last bit of paint quickly. From full renovations to small repairs, this set has everything you need. It's designed for both professionals and DIYers to achieve great results. We're here to help you succeed. If you have any questions about using this tool, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like? Achieve professional-looking textures with this comprehensive spray gun. It comes with multiple nozzles for versatile finishes and a large hopper for continuous work. If you are tackling larger projects or want precise control over your texture application, this tool is a great choice. What people say. The spray can be used to create a variety of textures on walls. It is easy to apply and provides a professional-looking finish. The texture spray is durable and long-lasting. Number 3. Homax 41072042963 Aerosol Wall Texture. Introducing the Homax 41072042963 Aerosol Wall Texture. Achieve professional-looking orange peel or splattered drywall repairs with ultimate convenience. Easily adjust the spray to achieve fine to heavy orange peel textures. This product allows you to perfectly match existing interior wall finishes. It goes on blue, making it easy to see where you've applied it. Wait until it turns white, indicating it's dry and ready for priming and painting. Enjoy a low-odor, water-based formula that makes cleanup a breeze. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. This 10-ounce can provide ample coverage, capable of covering up to 90 square feet. Get your project done efficiently. What we like? This aerosol spray provides an easy way to match existing wall textures. The adjustable nozzle allows for fine to heavy orange peel finishes. If you're looking for a simple, convenient solution for minor texture repairs and want to easily match your existing walls, this is perfect for you. What people say. The spray can is easy to use and provides a consistent texture. It covers imperfections on the wall effectively, creating a smooth finish. The texture is durable and holds paint well, allowing for customization. Number 2. Homax 41072040969 Wall Texture. Introducing a revolutionary way to achieve perfect wall textures. Our product offers a convenient aerosol application, making drywall repair and texturing simpler than ever. Achieve the exact look you desire, whether it's a fine orange peel or a heavier splatter effect. You can easily adjust the spray to match your needs. No more guesswork. It applies with a blue tint, clearly indicating when it's ready to be primed and painted. Simply spray it on, wait for it to turn white, and get ready to finish your project. Enjoy a pleasant experience with its water-based, low-odor formula. Cleanup is a breeze, making your renovation process smooth and hassle-free. One can is all you need for significant coverage. It can cover up to 90 square feet, ensuring you have enough for your project without multiple trips to the store. What we like. This aerosol texture spray is designed for effortless application and matching existing finishes. The unique blue-to-white drying indicator ensures you know exactly when it's ready to paint. If you need a user-friendly option for orange peel textures and want a clear visual cue for drying, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The spray is easy to use and creates a nice textured finish. It covers imperfections well and gives a professional look. The texture is consistent and holds paint well. Number 1. IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. Achieve that effortless, beachy look with our volumizing texture spray. It's designed to give you instant volume and a perfectly tousled texture. Enjoy fullness without the dryness. This formula provides a comfortable feel that lasts all day. Get a flexible hold that allows for natural movement. Your hair will look great and feel touchable, not stiff. It's your secret weapon for recreating that coveted beach wave style. Get ready for effortless, tousled perfection. Simply spray it on and tousle for instant results. It's the easiest way to get that lived-in texture and volume. What we like. Get effortless beachy waves and volume with this texture spray. It provides a tousled look with a flexible hold without feeling stiff or dry. If you desire that perfectly undone, textured hairstyle with natural movement, this is the product you've been searching for. What people say. The spray is easy to use and provides a nice textured finish. It covers imperfections on the wall effectively, giving a professional look. The texture is consistent and dries quickly, making the application process efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.